Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be doing a challenge. But before we start, I would really appreciate if you subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell just to get more from our channel. Back to our challenge. We will be making foods around the world, and the continent we will be choosing is Africa, the motherland. We will be making food from Ethiopia. This is my first time trying their food, so I'm really excited. We'll be making their special dish, Doro Wat. The ingredients we're going to be using are lots of onions, ginger, garlic, their own Ethiopian spice, berberi, unsalted butter, black cardamom, oil, boiled eggs, salt, and chicken. First, I cut the roots of onions and chop it with the chopper. Then, I peel and blend garlic with water to make a homemade garlic paste. Blend, blend, blend. After, I cut the chicken for seasoning to penetrate it. And then I add oil to the pot. Next, I add the chopped onions and stir very well. Now I add the garlic mixture and stir again. And make sure you stir until it's well mixed. Then I add spices like berberi, then stir. Salt and stir. Black cardamom and stir again. Now I add butter and stir until it turns golden brown. After I've stirred the spices, I add my maced chicken and mix. And then add water and let it cook. Taste test. Now we're gonna let it cook. And we're back. Let's check on it. Wow, it looks so good. This is gonna be so good. Now we're gonna mix all the spices in and add boiled eggs by poking holes with a fork. And voila, the sauce is done. Next, we're going to unravel the pre-made injera, but now we have to put all the boiled eggs in. And we're going to warm it. And taste test. This is so good. Yes. Now we're gonna dish it. And we dig in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you share this video, like and subscribe.